Hello, in front of me I have HONOR MagicWatch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen brightness on this device. First, let's press the upper button on our watch to wake up the screen on it, then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Here let's tap on the settings icon to open the settings. Once on settings, let's find display and tap on it. Here scroll down, tap on brightness, and now you can swipe up and down to change the value of the brightness. For example, let's set it on 2 and then tap OK to confirm. Let's bring it back to 5, like this. And that's how you change the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.